Preferred stock, don't call it a bond. It acts kinda similar, but something is wrong. Fixed income flavor, but equity name. Know what you own or you'll lose this game. Preferred stock, steady and slow. Fixed dividend is usually the flow, based on par. Remember that fact, 6% of 100, $6 back. Preferred gets paid before common gets theirs. That priority matters when profits get shared. But dividends aren't interest, that's so. Board must declare them before they're bestowed. Usually no vote, no corporate say. You trade that power for priority pay. Less growth potential than common may bring, but income investors might like this thing. Preferred gets preference, remember the name. Dividends first is part of the game. Common comes later when dividends flow, but creditors beat both if the company goes. Bonds before preferred, preferred before common. Get that order down and keep the beat rocking. Accumulated preferred stack what they miss. Dividend skip, don't forget this. Those missed dividends build in arrears. They don't disappear with the passing years. Before common gets another dime, preferred arrears get paid on time. So hear the word cumulative, think stack. Missed preferred dividends can come back. Participating preferred gets something more. Fixed dividend first, then maybe another score. Company crushes it, profits run high. Participating holders may get extra pie. Regular preferred gets the stated rate. Participating may get more when profits are great. Convertible preferred gives another choice. Swapped into common if growth finds its voice. Common stock climbing, conversion looks sweet. Trade income priority for an equity seat. Because conversion has value built inside. Issuer may offer a lower dividend ride. Remember the rule, when features are strong, good for the investor. Issuer can pay less all along. Callable preferred flips that around. Issuer can call it when rates come down. That feature helps the company, not you. So investors may demand a sweeter yield too. Rates fall hard, issuer says goodbye. Call those shares and refinance nearby. Remember the rule, keep it alive. Good for the issuer. Investor wants more to buy. Adjustable preferred doesn't stay still. Dividend resets according to the deal. Rates move up, dividend may climb. Rates move down, it may fall over time. Less fixed than traditional preferred pay. It adjusts as benchmark rates move away. Here comes a question they love to bring. Why does preferred move when interest rates swing? Fixed dividend, that's your clue. New rates change what investors will do. Rates go, old preferred looks weak. Its market price tends to drop what you seek. Rates go down, that fixed payment shines. Existing preferred may rise in price. Think like a bond, but say it with me. Preferred stock is still equity. No maturity date like a traditional bond. No interest payment that must carry on. Company fails, now know the line. Who gets paid and at what time? Secured creditors lead the race. Other creditors follow in their place. Preferred shareholders come before common stock, but creditors get paid before equity knocks. Preferred has priority, yes, that's true, but don't put preferred ahead of get in the queue. Preferred gets preference, that's the name. Income and priority drive the game. Fixed dividend usually based on par. Less growth potential, but know what you are. Cumulative, stack it. Convertible, swap it. Callable, issuer can't stop it. Participate, extra profit. Adjustable, rates can move it. And when the test just tries messing with your head. Bonds are debt. Preferred is equity instead. Preferred before common when dividends fall. Creditors before shareholders when liquidating it all. That's preferred stock. Now lock it away. Priority and income are the words of the day.